So this is the third of three. Oh, go figure. Skylights. The other two are over here waiting for their turn to be rebuilt. So this one is rebuilt. I've cemented it, and right now I'm just cleaning off the excess cement. And there's some places like on the glue chip where you have to scrape off out of the little, I don't know, feather wisps, I guess you could call them. But you can see there's like a lot of little black stuff. And then I've cleaned like along the lines. I don't want to go underneath them. And you can use a little wire brush also to help take stuff off. And then the last thing I do is sweep off. It's sort of hard to tell now because there's all this stuff underneath. Sorry, I'm trying to look and do at the same time. So this is just going to be like sit here and pick stuff off. The centerpiece we did not take apart because it was not broken, and why mess with what is fine? But the rest of it we've taken all apart and recamed it. We've used zinc instead of the lead. It will hold up longer. It's a little stiffer too. Weather won't attack it as much as the lead. But I just want to give you an update on it. They're coming along pretty well. Slow and steady wins the race. Thanks for stopping by today to check it out.